60 tons of paint every 7 years. That's the price to pay to keep the Eiffel Tower from rusting and collapsing. On paper, it's the pride of France, but in reality, the structure is corroding from the inside due to constantly delayed repair plans. The thick layer of paint can no longer hide the core cracks. In today's video, we'll delve inside the Eiffel Tower's iron structure to examine the true extent of the damage and answer the question, how much longer can this iconic structure really last? This is Simple Why. There's a fact that will surely surprise you. The Eiffel Tower was never built to last forever. In 1889, Paris hosted the World's Fair, and France wanted a colossal structure to impress the world. Gustave Eiffel's Iron Tower was the absolute centerpiece at the time. However, it was entirely a temporary structure, only permitted to stand for 20 years. In fact, the Eiffel Tower was specifically designed to be easily dismantled and sold for scrap. Even more unbelievable is that many Parisians at the time intensely disliked it. Famous artists of the time publicly called it a monstrous structure, a giant factory chimney, and a hideous metal skeleton that marred their beautiful skyline. It's fascinating to know that one of the most beloved and romantic symbols on the planet today was once considered an eyesore that people wanted to quickly remove. If the original plan was to dismantle it after 20 years, why does the Eiffel Tower still stand today? Most people assume that tourism or sudden fame saved the tower, but that's a misconception. The true savior of this structure wasn't romance, it was radio technology. As the 20-year deadline approached, Gustave Eiffel frantically sought to make his brainchild useful. He realized the tower's ideal height made it a perfect giant antenna. He invited the military to use it for long-range radio experiments. This decision completely changed history. During World War I, the tower became a strategic military asset, helping to intercept crucial enemy radio signals and messages. Ultimately, it was the scientists and soldiers who saved this iconic landmark, not the tourists. It was simply too valuable to be destroyed. To understand the longevity of this structure, we need to look beyond the outer shell of the Eiffel Tower. While most people assume this colossal structure is made of steel, it is actually constructed from 7,300 tons of puddled iron, a special type of wrought iron from the Industrial Revolution. What makes the tower so ingenious is its intricate lattice design, allowing it to cooperate with nature rather than fight against it. On hot summer days, the expanding iron mass can increase the tower's height by up to 15 centimeters and slightly tilt it to avoid the sun. In winter, it contracts. The tower even sways slightly in strong winds to prevent cracking. However, being exposed to the elements means this living machine has never stopped aging. Gustave Eiffel knew full well that his creation had a fatal flaw. He famously said that paint was the only defense against rust. Today, that invisible enemy continues its silent, never-ending battle beneath the tower's surface. At the microscopic level, moisture and environmental pollution are constantly attacking the iron, destroying it molecularly. To prevent this corrosion, the tower undergoes a massive beauty makeover every 7 years. It takes 60 tons of new paint to cover and protect the metal surface. The human effort behind this work is truly remarkable. Brave painters hang hundreds of meters above the Parisian sky, battling fierce winds and dizzying heights. Before each brush stroke, They meticulously scrape away the old metal and paint layers entirely by hand. It was an exhausting and never-ending battle to keep the Iron Lady alive. Over time, repainting has grown incredibly difficult. Strict environmental regulations regarding old lead paint, combined with severe COVID-19 delays, have caused maintenance costs to explode. Because of these challenges, workers have only been able to fully strip and repair small portions of the metal. This means a dangerous amount of corrosion is currently hidden beneath layers of fresh paint. While tourists on the ground look up and see pure romance, the maintenance workers looking closely at the structure see dangerous decay. The tower is effectively being patched up rather than truly fixed. Ultimately, the Eiffel Tower's survival hinges on a classic dilemma: money versus maintenance. The cost of a comprehensive overhaul is enormous. While Parisian city officials want to maximize tourism revenue, maintenance workers are warning of a future disaster. In fact, these frustrations erupted into major strikes in 2024, as workers protested a lack of funding for core repairs. This situation exposes a deep and familiar truth in human psychology. We absolutely love iconic structures, but hate having to pay the taxes necessary to maintain them. The real question is whether France will spend the money before it's too late. So is the Eiffel Tower about to collapse? The short answer is no. Despite the sensational headlines, structural engineers insist the tower is fundamentally safe. Most of the current rust is still superficial, meaning it only affects the outer layers and hasn't penetrated the main load-bearing beams. The Ingenious lattice design continues to distribute weight and wind pressure perfectly. However, this is no reason to be complacent. If France continues to patch up the rust instead of scraping it off completely, the surface damage will eventually become a serious structural failure. This is a slow-moving crisis, not a disaster that struck overnight. Ultimately, this story is about much more than just a famous iron tower in Paris. It reflects a fascinating aspect of human nature and modern society. We constantly use these historic landmarks as backdrops for our postcards, the Olympic Games, Hollywood movies, and romantic engagements. They give us a sense of identity and permanence in a fast-changing world. Yet, a challenging question remains. Are we genuinely willing to put in the hard work and money to preserve them properly? Perhaps the real mystery of the Eiffel Tower isn't a technical one about metal and paint. And maybe the most important question isn't how long the physical structure can survive. Maybe it is how long we, as a society, are willing to keep saving it. The next time you see the Eiffel Tower glowing brilliantly against the Paris night sky, or scroll past it on your social media feed, try to look a little closer. Remember the hidden battle happening beneath that beautiful exterior. Think of the brave workers hanging high in the wind, the dangerous rust creeping under the fresh paint, and the enormous costs required just to keep it standing. It is a powerful reminder that even the world's most beautiful and iconic symbols are not permanent. If you've got a topic you want us to look into next, leave it in the comments. And if we pick yours, we'll give you a shout out. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching Simple Why.